Welcome back, space enthusiasts. Today we're diving into a spine-chilling scenario. What if the worst asteroids from our planet's past were to strike Earth tomorrow? Brace yourself as we explore this jaw-dropping concept. Picture a map showcasing the impact zones of historical asteroids that have rocked our planet. Now imagine a convergence of these catastrophic collisions targeting different regions simultaneously. The consequences would be catastrophic, to say the least. But let's not get lost in the doomsday scenario just yet. Leading experts shed light on the aftermath. Widespread devastation, fires, seismic activity, and a global temperature drop would follow. The domino effect is mind-boggling. Crop failures, nuclear winter, and ecosystem collapse could push humanity to the brink. But we have a remarkable ability to adapt and overcome. Communities unite, harnessing technology and resourcefulness to carve a new path forward. This chilling thought experiment reminds us of our shared vulnerability and the importance of scientific advancements to protect our planet. Let's continue exploring the cosmos, learning from our past, and working together for a brighter, asteroid-free future. Stay curious and stay safe.